So, good day people. I'm in Negril, same way. Burger King drive-thru. I'm there with the lovely Shantoy Wilson.
Yes,
She prefer to call her Bieber though.
No, me like my name, me love my name. Chantal Wilson, but you know, when people call me Chantal Wilson, me behave like the Chantal Wilson, but if you call me Bieber, me I go behave like a Bieber. Bieber my nickname, guys. And Chantal Wilson is my nice name.
So we have some questions for her. I'm just ask her some random questions like how we in a Burger King drive-thru with. And yeah, I understand. I mean, for some reason, anytime I'm in one place, I get nervous. Why I get nervous? Might me answer.
So how me the movie? How me really the movie like?
This is not a movie.
Yeah, but not more than nervous in a movie thing, and we also the movie with the Sawama. You there, baby man, in a dangerous. When I say come babes.
I never, that the scene there never nothing for.
Yeah, but they say come babes, and then they hold me up here, saw me when we there talk to fire.
I not even realize that.
Machine the crime, remember?
May I try ask her some question, but this is how she behave if you don't watch previous videos every time. Like, I don't know. Yeah, you find me attractive?
I'm a bubbly.
You make you nervous
No.
like me?
No, I'm not find attractive. More of me just tell the day one from coming here say, what we doing here say as I work as a team. I don't want nobody doing here.
Okay, good. So, accurate. So, my first question to her is, if you were to do a movie, if you were in charge of, creating a movie, what the title of the movie? What I give the title of the movie?
I don't know. In a made no car one time they said that what me they say again? Smart dealer. Smart dealer?
Smart dealer. Sound like some drugs like business.
If I want to put it so but alright, for me let me tell you me give you a hint. Me they say for example then in a movie, you do something like, for example, one whole lot of...
Smart Dealer, the movie with him?
Yes, Smart Dealer.
So, essentially what the movie would be about?
Alright, one whole lot of girls, their lifestyle, how they live their lifestyle, how they grown with man, and how when they get money, how they spend it. If they squander their money and live up the hype life if people see and one bag of things and me know or anybody me have to be that the character they know one way they know yeah you might get your money but just humble as always and behind every little thing she has stack and pile. Well let me say stack and pile. You know what I mean? Like she have built something then she have built a foundation then.
I think they get to say.
You understand yeah? So I always say smart dealer.
Smart dealer.
This is smart chopper one time, but no chopper.
Somebody I think 21 questions, but probably I did say with the Burger King?
Yeah,
with the Burger King. Your first question, your first random question off the top of your head for me.
Why you attached to me that much out of all? Well, why you so close? Like, listen, where you find what kind of person define me as like? Be honest, not because I'm in front of you then or whatever, but I don't know or they look how weird they. You know, just be honest. Where you look for me as hear me there around you, do a movie, be discussing at times and people they don't people I know about people and find out people. So what you really find about me then? What you liked about me or whatever?
I don't know, I just like you.
In what? You like my personality, some of my ways them or whatever.
I don't like some of you.
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
But you remind me of something, but I just can't put my finger upon it. Yeah, I just can't put my finger upon it. But I get one pleasant feeling on me there. Although sometimes I really can't stand you sometimes.
Then you sit me then. Get a positive.
Why am I so attached to you?
Yeah. Like me, me tell you a reason why. Because
me never ask you.
Yeah, you never ask. Let me tell you when. Well, for me now, yeah, I want to know when me would have like reason with throughout certain little things than Richard and Fire because I guess me know you first. You make me the down your song with Richard at the movie. Me do a movie with Richard, but not for him. See no song. So, are you really make me there your song? So.
Alright, the thing is, you see how some woman me just cannot talk to.
We don't like the business nor just over.
Hold the camera. No, like Alright, me love chat. You see me? Like, I might think that. Enough of the time I feel
Then I told with that.
alone or by myself sometimes. So, like how I get company, I through conversation. Because most time, you know, if a woman feel like you want dig out her whole shit, you know, you don't get the real her. You get me what I'm saying? So, yes, you remind me of Atkins who I usually work with. Like, she hot, she's sexy and everything and attractive, but me just never want.
You know, no one busy with her.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes, so like me like that. Otherwise, I can't chat to man. Like how me behave with woman, you can't do that with man. That would have funny. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, basically that's the reason why I attached to you, as you call it.
Okay.
So my question again, what a girl can talk. So you have one boyfriend, right?
You need to tell me say relationship done, but two me love one can eat that. Me not take
Your first boyfriend?
No. The thing is, I want to tell you something.
Hold on, I'm ask a question. No, I'm
Drive out the car, drive out the bus.
I don't ask a question. What is?
I'm for hold the camera.
Yes.
But put it on me.
Yeah, hold it on you or whatnot.
So you said good.
You can't point it on me.
Good afternoon. You can plug it in golden place order, please.
What you want?
One number 8.
One number 8, please.
I just $1,000 I have to spend for me now.
One number 8, I want.
I want Hershey pie. What is it?
You might help her pronounce.
The drink flavor is it grape, Coke, Sprite, or Schweppes?
Give me Schweppes.
In that piece order?
Little bit of ice.
Light ice.
You sound good, eh?
Hello?
Oh, your voice sounds so good, sir.
Anyhow.
Are you married?
Thank you, my boss.
So you're not going to buy something for yourself?
Schweppes, light ice, and a Hershey's Sprite.
You're not buying something for yourself?
Okay.
So really? You're greedy?
Alright, thank you, my general.
I can't go down your window now, you know. I look at the AC.
No, I like AC. So,
That burn me nose.
what you... Alright, you turn off the AC. Off.
So how this AC?
You just don't want me asking nothing about boyfriend, don't you?
You can ask me any question.
So, your first boyfriend,
My first boyfriend, you want to really know I'm busy, but I will tell you.
I'm not too in depth. Are you break up with him or him break up with you?
First boyfriend?
Yeah.
When me think about myself.
It's an easy question that baby.
It's an easy question. No, we don't break up one another. We just cut the link. We just not link up to have sex. But I talk to him.
Hold on, what you just said a while ago?
We just not link up to have sex, but therefore me talk to him because me not like.
What you say? On a link up to have sex?
We don't link up to have sex. We just cut the link like that, but we talk to one another. You know what you know like for me, you know?
I just think that's what it said.
I never said that.
So,
Me not have to keep
your
up.
question. I will never break up then, so.
My question. I don't know if you ask us anything.
Ask me anything I come from the top of your head.
Anything come from top?
Do I eat vagina? No, no.
No, listen. You're eating. Because me never asked her that and you confirm that.
You know, because me look in your eye, me see like a twinkle in your eye, and even the last time I do a video, and I don't remember what I said, what you say? You said, ask me something and I say, oh, something about
no, we shouldn't even bring that this, okay? How come eating vagina?
Because me know I said that, as me said,
you know why you judge and you assume?
Because I see you look on your face.
You see the look on my face?
Yeah.
So
alright, ask a question then if I know what that
So, do you enjoy doing movies with Richard Brown films?
Yo, I want a whole story that.
Oh, there's a story. Can I summarize? Just give me, now say a para about 2 sentences. Summarize that.
Alright, I don't know nobody apart from Richie who passionate about filming and video like myself. So see, because of that, alright, you come back to what I said earlier. How I can have certain conversation with that man.
Oh,
like
okay,
with Richie and now like I can sit down and chat to him about anything. Like even sometimes some things are really close to me, like when I talk about him, he break down. Like I don't have no problem I talk to him because of that kind of something. So I want a different kind of thing with Richie and film.
I feel thing different.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. And being around you guys, I'm so comfortable. Not gonna lie. Like, you know, you're there around some people that are uncomfortable. Like myself, boy. Like how my boyfriend say, I'm man, me gone down there. For me.
But nobody don't want to be you.
They understand, you don't understand that. I don't know why things that people want me. I'm not look good.
So you watch like the other movie channel, them like I saw them name Face Expressions and...
No.
You know, you know watch no other movie channel on YouTube? About
Me only go
HD films.
Prolong?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch prolong movies and I like him improvements, yeah. Things them are going with themselves. The movie them are going with themselves, I not lie. I'm so impressed. I'm big him up.
That's something that changed no aspect of your life?
What?
Being a part of the movie, Richard Brown film, you know?
Yes, me not go tell no lie. Me feel so good. That's why I say first me have to big up Prolong. I him first with the movie with that the living room, yeah. So me big up. You know, you feel yourself knowing say me there's some places and people point me out. Me see Pitney point me out. Mommy see girl they will see the movie and mother say everywhere up to this morning. Me on my way going to my business and I saw a car man calling me. I even show me a dead real life. I say yes. But I say remember, it's just a movie. I'm not even a real life. And whatever. And he said they like me. Even if I'm going to listen, but it's not one day. Listen. No.
May put in and make them see what I go on.
No.
What else am I going to ask you again?
You ask me a question, but ask me no. Ask me about my life. I'm telling you about what I want with my life.
I want to tell you about mommy and daddy, the people I'm responsible for you.
Responsible
Your existence in this world.
Me responsible to myself, people.
I want to tell you about mommy and daddy. What kind of relationship mommy and daddy? You say ask about your life.
I know my life. I'm
Watch her. She don't know manners in her bus bump and wait.
I'm 21 years old, guys. And as a young girl, I don't like sit down, like, I don't like sponge on people. I always try and go work. Like every time when him call me, he say, me ever have some work for you, like, for you come to movie business.
When him who?
You.
No, let me tell you, like, well, you same time we talk on the phone, I always tell her, I don't trust her, woman, or can artist. Not about that way I try to make me look good. I like me.
Never said that, Akim, but me I say, every time I tell about doing thing and you not focus. It's blur.
I say every does something I focus on?
Yes.
So when I see it now focus, I just take time, process 2 times. So me and Bieber there a bun, so later on she can watch back the video and all them good things there.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do any video?
No. Wait, what?
I think we reach our destination.
I'll come to switch me this time one pizza. You come and you say, say, Aki, you go buy for yourself and you say yes. And so gonna get you already? 10 minutes to take.
I go buy pizza.
Let's say you may hate you.
I know for myself,
I know right, but me there say instead of we come in here so we gonna just buy pizza there so.
Yeah, but me prefer more spend some time with the tree drive through.
I told one of that tree, man. I say the reason I'm not come up, we don't have a good serious can watch me. I try to take me time work on my one thing.
What is that?
It's tree business. I mean, I try the way kind of stress.
Right, make one little deal, right? The first real move I see you make towards it, we do a B-roll video because that's how me specialize now. I don't know if you know. So, if you don't know what B-roll is, it is a supplementary video, spicy part of the video. So, the first move I see you make towards your restaurant thing, first serious move I see you make, we do a B-roll video, you have to prepare the drinks. And the whole process and everything.
Okay.
So, until then, yeah, but tell me about the juice thing. I think you talk about now over there.
I'm trying. Hello guys, I'm a bartender in the hotel industry. Pay the money. We are come.
How much money has
How much money? Go eat, Anja.
1,010.
One?
$1,010.
I thought, look at what you $10, sir.
Of course.
Okay, good. Give him
Yes,
back.
yes, sir.
I want the $10.
Yes, I say a while ago.
Okay, you must man.
God's I see you use your pretty face and
Thank
show
you.
everywhere.
Oh, they feel nice spice for their hair.
Me?
Oh my god, I'm so in love with it.
Remember,
Yeah.
you see your video sitting correctly there, look man.
It's on your key.
You there look, I'm rate you still. So man, I said you know, man, I work at Burger King.
That's the nice thing. When in Paris.
You know, see enough
Nice, see? Not you, I know you.
Alright people, this
What
has
would you think
been
So I'm trying.
yeah,
Guys, I'm trying to do my own thing. To run a juice bar. Yes. And it's so hectic. It's so challenging.
they want to hear about
What?
sex and them something like that.
You want to hear about sex? Who wants sex?
Anyways,
Who
people,
wants sex me?
we got nobody. We're gonna finish the video now.
We'll continue
But I
tomorrow.
try so I can learn about her with some questions, but it never
Go jot down,
work out.
go jot it down, and then tomorrow you ask me.
What may I say tomorrow?
Remember, I'm just saying I'm coming tomorrow.
So who tell us I'm there tomorrow?
Whatever Akina always there.
You're there all the time if you know something always there?
Alright, you one.
Look on him, see you can get a Benz man, my girl.
No, me not. People man. People man.
Shanta, I see a Benz man what she like.
Me not Benz Punani.
Anyways, this has been random video. Me I talk to one of the participants in Richard Brown films. I don't know what I get from that a while ago. Apart from say how she down to earth and cool, which one I probably discover in her previous videos. But you know, I like her as Muda said, or as Muda mentioned.
Oh, they reach out there so.
Yeah, she rude. She love interrupt people when I'm talking all these things. But yeah.
Who send the old woman?
This has been it, or this has been it. We shall soon, very soon. They will not upload no video from when. But
Even no, Mr. Can't change the juice. I want chips, please. One Sprite. Nothing get on the video. Nothing get me better. Already on the juice.
not videoing you, miss.
You know, so happy that me, yes.
Not your face.
There's a recipe. Oh, come on, let's go Burger King box a little. Thank you. Do something behind my back and a child. Hurry up. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks. Just stay good.
You can't give me some of your chips.
No problem.
That's what I mean. Say for dash some water. You're hungry.
And I can't be without you, baby. Wait until you get home, cause I can't. Hey, this song that we get. I remember some boyfriend left me, I got cry. I'm so emotional. Too hot.
I can't send go buy pizza.
You could have sent me up from mine.
She not like, you know, with the hot chips no more. The chips hot for true, beaver. Freaking, oh my. What is it?
Take a bit. Oh.
So I can buy two.
2,000 pizza. That's nice. Here, hold this. Give me money.
Hold on, let me call them back and find out what exactly they want.
A 3 pizza, 2 pepperoni and 1 cheese, and I want because.
Yeah.
I didn't see lady on my phone. Nobody not today, no. But you need a mask. I say, Mr. The mask. I'm not gonna catch you without the mask. They just don't care.
So, good evening, alright?
Yes, good evening.
Alright, good
Or you
evening.
could say good afternoon.
So people, Candy beat me for a long time to come do a video with her. So
Right.
we are here doing a video now.
Mhm.
I'm not tell her none of the question them and I'm gonna ask her. She does not know what we are going to do in this video. But I'm gonna make her know and she gonna know right away meaning say. Like I just know she just know. We wanna know where Candy come from, the origin of Candy, not just the movie them. So my first question is how far about my should I take it now? Tell me about younger days. Tell me about high school days. Which high school are you starting?
Younger days,
Yeah man, tell me about high
like
school.
when we used to eat dumpling and butter and them.
High school!
So, you want your mommy school first or warm when they eat? Which one?
Which high school are you starting?
Rashi's High School.
Rushies?
Yes.
I should be a bad people got Rushies.
Sometimes some we bad in man and one next time we go good.
So tell
But
me,
badness not pay still.
So
Because
tell-
you stay good.
so tell me about Rushies school. What the experience like during that time?
Oh, a regular thing, regular class session. You go at like certain time you go at that session. You have different teachers for every different subjects.
So you used to leave
different
France, you used to leave, Negrola used to live them time.
No. Montego Bay.
You used to live Montego Bay,
Yes.
left Montego Bay, go Rushies.
Yeah, because I'm a Montegonian now. You feel like?
Oh, so grew up with mommy and daddy?
I don't.
John was star, one more person forward in that. So.
I don't grow up with my
We have
mom
to go on the
and
two
my
of them
dad.
one time. So, the legendary Popeye, we don't know two of them from Richard Brown films.
People
So-
there, sir.
No, hold on, come right to us, no, man.
Oh.
John was star, where you drink?
Handicap, you know.
Alright, here we go on. Popeye, which high school you used to attend?
Little London.
Little London. So, when you used to live on the girl when you got Little London High School?
Born and grew up.
London or England or London or Jamaica?
Me say, you see Candy, you see
Yeah, but we have London and Jamaica too, and we have London and England. And which one of them you did go to school? Me want to know.
I try help when you get to know them outside of the movies, guys, but see, like it rough. So you used to attend Little London, you used to attend Rushies.
Rushies.
So what was
Say
school
Rushies
like?
and don't say
What
Rushies.
was school like for you? You
Oh.
did anxiety to have one whole heap of friends and trouble you?
No. Listen, nobody not trouble me at school.
Are you trouble people?
Me not trouble them, but just when
Mm.
me not have no lunch, my friend them used to have to give me lunch.
Oh, so I did that kind of something that sometimes.
Yeah,
like that.
'cause sometimes
Well, and
that-
are you spend out the money?
Remember, say me no grow with no father. But
Okay.
sometime me used to stay with my mother. Most of my time I was with my grand aunt. But you know, sometimes if me do nothing in the yard, they don't go and give you fear for go to school, they don't give you nothing to eat. But you know, see, that's the first time people kind of have like a wicked dish in them and like a good dish. But me forgive her still.
So you like acting for any time?
Long time before me did in my mother womb, she did conceive with me as an actor.
I can't
As
manage
an
it, I
actress,
can't
a
be-
matter of fact.
Alright, we should come back over to you. Popeye,
Yes.
talk to me now. How was school for you, high school?
Well, it was good.
They're not
me did
troubling
have-
or nothing?
No, but me did have to make a choice.
Did you have girlfriend in high
So
school?
you're not asking about primary?
Yeah.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
I did have, you don't know the name, me did have 6 of them.
And you're not asking about primary?
No, you did have man in high school?
No, me couldn't do it. My
When-
grand aunt would have killed me with leak.
When you have your first boyfriend? Or man?
My first, me can't remember. A long time.
No, first time not forget so. So
Yeah.
your first. I don't want to ask you nothing about when you lose virginity, you know. when? Tell me about the first boyfriend. You have to remember, I can't.
Me can't remember. Me did want to do it and me never want to do it, but me still do it. And me want to do it and me shouldn't do it, but me do it still.
So apart from acting though, Candy, may I skip go? So we are moved from high school now, come back in our present
Yes,
life.
when
So,
time me used to do in grade 1, before me go to high school or primary, me used to pick up the dirty cheese street them and the dirty chewing gum them. Because they say me grand auntie wicked in and give me no lunch money that time they on my bed.
I feel like Candy never ever yet come out of character yet.
No, you know, he make me pick up the dirty cheese
Candy
street.
is her character though.
Listen, man. You see when the dirty chewing gum them, you see pitting them with for them parents when have it, and then eat the chewing gum them and dash it down, and it on the road. You know want to see when the sun hot and it melty, or it look like I say sugar in there and it's sweet. So me go pick up here and eat it with the rock stone them in there and then it fresh. You never
When
sweet,
this
no
a
sugar.
lie, I tell me.
You
not
know, God
believe
up at heaven, me I call your name God, because you know say I chew me attack. And me pick up dirty dumpling at school, because sometimes they don't give me no lunch money. I chew.
Rastafari. So we are get some in on the characters them here from Richard Brown
Yes.
films. So what I call it? What they call them kind of upbringing again? Modest upbringing or humble beginnings. So both characters don't understand. Hold on, Papa. I feel like a born with gold spoon in your mouth. Tell me about
True, him did
how
rich
did
and he
how
did
did
poor.
you did always have lunch money and tell them something down there at school?
Well, me did always
So
have,
them there.
yeah, me did always have, But me have to make a choice in a grade 9.
Can I choice that?
It's either work or go to school, so I just work.
Man, but so when I decide to want to do acting, you know, or a long time?
From
As a matter of fact, from when you're rich, them are brethren.
long time, before YouTube, before
Before you're born, just say before you're born.
we born.
See them, man, pay attention to
I'm
yourself.
talk to my audience.
Right.
I know rich them when they start the movie, but then the time I'm there behind the scene I watch, and I say, yo, me not going night. But then I say, you know, me want to be actor, so I go. And see there, look at me there now.
That's that. So, apart from acting, what else you do? We know what you do already.
Me know fire them long time. Fry up a bakery and sell movie and whatever something.
From when you know?
Then bread ground up a bakery and so all about.
Oh,
Then they all
see.
about.
So apart from
Long
acting,
time.
Papa I do baking. Best.
I do
Best
bake.
cocoa bread them in a niggles. Yo, right now them better than juicy beef cocoa bread them in a.
Exactly.
I swear to you, I'm not even make this stuff. Which part the bakery located?
Chef here.
Which part of
Right
Sheffield?
side
Right
of the
at
church.
7-day Adventist. So you can't go over there and tip you out of focus. That's it. But anyhow, when I go and check out the cocoa bread them, so apart from acting, Mr. Papa is hard at work every day. Candy, you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, long
Because
time.
you have a shop for yourself.
Not say that because right
Well-
now, me I look help and want somebody to help me.
Can I help you, man?
Me want help and want build something bigger in life to make can help some people who know
Oh,
how to.
I mean, I want to feel like it's a joke thing. Not because you see 100,000 views on the movie, them, I don't feel like say, oh, millions are coming. And that's how you go. People there and them do this. They do this because they are passionate about it, and of course they want the money, but you know, whole heap. So when me hear Candy, I say she wants some help and all. Well,
Yes.
man, build up a shop or what?
I need help so I can do a little business for myself.
So you not have a
if
shop?
No, that shop they broke down.
No, yeah, Candy, stop playing with me.
Me not play with you.
Why shop broke
when
down?
time me did, you know when my shop used to stack. You can't see my shop pop down, so I need
So
to tell
pop
you.
downstairs at there?
And you pop down stage that, so you must know how we did stay from the beginning.
Yeah.
Very stuff,
Yeah,
alright. So,
true.
I don't know if people might hear and them want to lend some assistance with that concern.
Well, I would
we can do that.
appreciate it. Thank you very much. All who support me, thank you.
So, Papa, differently though, up at bakery there. How you like it though? How is it up there? Outside of the acting, I know you're passionate about. Up at the bakery, how is it? Tell me about that.
Really good. I tell them, it's worth it because I can bake, I can do Italian
We
cooking,
can bake too, you know.
They can do Italian
I can
cooking.
show
I can
about.
paint.
They can paint. Like
I can
bakery I
do
talk about
plumbing.
though. Like bakery I talk about though.
Oh, bakery.
So you tell me about the bakery. So that's something you enjoy as well, eh?
I love that more than anything else.
More than the acting too?
Yeah. Baking is my,
Me love acting.
No.
My acting, me I call in my sleep when me I
No.
sleep, me act too.
I respect acting, but baking is like my ball in a hit.
But I know cocoa
Me a
bread.
sleep
So
on
you
a
bake
app.
cake and them something
I
like that?
bake fruit cake, I bake marble cake, I bake banana bread, I bake pudding, I bake gizzard, I bake anything you
No,
can tell me.
you never know all of them something, that's true. You
And
never
I
know.
bake
You
the
never know.
best pizza.
So you do pizza too?
Yeah, better than, me don't want to call it name, I don't want to sue me.
Better than who? Pizza
But you
Hut?
don't know that's...
Yes, don't call anyone name.
No, that one name. The
Caesar?
other- Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Me never buy them. Me never taste no pizza where you do. You
No.
never do you want pizza.
That bake you carry out here. Can they taste it already?
How it
I want
taste?
little piece of did give me.
How it taste? How it taste? How it
The
taste?
piece when you give me, I want little piece. And you should have give me more. You can't give me them the little piece of pizza there and it tastes so good. You're too old to order.
Alright, so I don't know what else for questions. So I feel like the audience them have a better understanding of the personality now. What high school was like, because you know so that's one integral part of your personality. High school, that's how when you start there around people whole heap and some real interaction start going. So you know so that part of your life is integral when it comes to your personality. So you say how humble beginnings, chewing gum, pandrong and all them kind
Yes,
of
me
stuff
pick up all
there.
the dirty cheese chips them. Me have to eat them.
Papa, I did have
when
gold
it's
spoon in
small,
my mouth.
No,
and in a
no,
eat,
I
they go
wasn't have
infant
gold
school
spoon
it like
in
you
my
know in
mouth.
a grade
But that-
one. Yeah, me pick up him man.
But
That's
that
me
you don't
hungry.
say.
No, I never have gold spoon. I just have family that support me to school. But one thing though, my father,
Alright people, big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in again. So see it there.
We don't talk already.
You have more things that you want to say?
Then of course we look like we don't talk. We can't have talk. If Talk can't too much.
Alright, go see.
Akeem,
I
talk.
got it.
Listen to me now.
Mhm.
Talk cannot too much. Talk can't too much, none talk. Cause when you stop talk, somebody else talk. Talk can't too much.
Alright, we want to hear what you have to say now.
Listen to me now. I wouldn't mind you guys put out some donation to Akeem. He will give it to us because we need it to do some important stuff.
Candy. No
What?
candy. Me not receive
They
no
not,
money.
they not have me number. They know
No.
about for you
Hold
something
on,
fan
where
fan.
Instagram? Where Instagram?
Me not have none. Me not no phone.
Yo.
Me all want one phone. You can buy one phone for me, please.
Oh yeah, me forgot to can
Sure.
have one. But
If me did have a phone, me get enough help long time, but I don't have a phone. So I need you guys to help me to buy a phone so I can have my own channel. I want to be so nice, good up fans funny. I want to know say
just
Candy.
contact me things for the channel, that's true.
Oh, you mean Candy? You don't know say Candy.
So
a
if you
phone
no
is
want to
favorite.
see Candy start a YouTube channel and contact the things them for, you make she know in the comments. Tell her in the comments, as you mean.
Yes.
So she say she want a phone, would I
Yes.
buy her one, but me can't afford it. My phone screen bust up right now. No left it fall, we are she fall.
I make nice and make
Nah
it me
man, I want to hear them. So that's all. Anything else?
You don't talk already? How much
Papa,
you gone?
ready? My time? Papa.
Well, thanks for the interview, guys, and hope you learn a lesson. No matter what in life, don't listen to what people say. Work towards it.
Anyway, it is my pleasure meeting you. This is Candy, actress from Richard Brown Flint. And all of us are teams. We work together. Excuse out of the... Okay, you know no manners, you know.
Hey,
Sure.
pick up on yourself. Look
So,
more.
bless up on yourself. I know me always love you, know. I love you guys so much. I mean, no someone love me too, you know, but me love you no more. Mwah. I'm out. I will make a press here and we
That's
next.
how we live.
Alright,
Alright, go and do the thing now. Come here.
Yeah, what go on there now, Zine?
Did you have money other day?
What is that money?
When you know you're gonna help me buy no phone.
But me can't tell us I still get a piece of food, man. Me tell us I still get a piece of food.
Tell me when you're ready, Aki.
You ready,
man? A
Tarkat?
freestyle.
Oh, okay.
Freestyle. Where's your papa? Come in now. So I go on now, even now.
Akim, ask the questions. See we interview her over there, so.
Me done.
You're not
Not
chatting.
interview. This is
Oh. This is what?
Team side.
no team side, man.
Oh.
Akim, something. You're all tired and brighty.
Team side.
So I'm gonna ask you now.
We just are going freestyle.
Just talk.
Alton, they don't
something.
know you have to chat in the Alton, they don't know nothing, you have to
I
chat.
don't
They
mean
know
say, you know
what
you
going
can't
on
ask
with
one
them.
question, nothing in
But they know what going with me.
Yeah.
You know dumb?
Oh, people. This is not candy. Look at my phone, people. It's not good, right? It's not good. Look at it. It can't. Right, watch out, candy. I think it's a fair phone, a full phone, and for me. Look on this. No. If me
See my phone, then if I'm no phone, I even somebody don't give me one phone and give me this, I mean nobody want it.
Alright, so
I
see,
rather do it out.
see, but it's true because people can call me. Me just have to just have this and go on normal. People, me need a phone.
And you're going like that a phone too. You all you want one phone to move, man.
Me tired of put this on my ears and it just a brr, 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 brr. On my ears, it just a press up by itself when I go on with itself. So people, remember to subscribe to that channel as a command pan the man channel. Just subscribe and not bother with the foolishness. Subscribe. Because that's how in time you subscribe, people can see me more.
Right.
And you can see yourself
So
more.
Alton, come chat about that, because I tricky people, them. Come. No, you're not really tricky, you know, you understand, but you're not going in personality, you understand?
Maybe out of
You're entertain.
out more,
No, you can't come in, you can't come in. So Alton.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Richard Brown in our family, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
Alright, good. So, give me a little history. So, must get about any and
Oh.
all these things.
What history?
Yeah, give one history
I'm
where you
telling you now.
come from.
Alright. When we are doing forward from the left high school,
Which high school at?
Froome High School. Let's go Froome Technical in the house. Big up on yourself, you see me? So, from left high school, there, so, in mother, which is my aunt, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself.
Rest in
Richard,
peace, rest in peace,
in
Auntie.
peace. Richard and Auntie Debbie. And them can go a wedding now from start go a wedding. I'm going normal. Pretty girl, come here. You can pause. You know.
Floor is yours, have the floor,
You
people.
can pause. Say your name for the camera though. Come here. Come here. Alright, so she's shy. So yeah,
You can say when you little used to cry.
I used to go to Froome Technical High School, Richard Brown and Diana Campbell. They're the one who made me into a photographer, videographer. Yeah. So from I left high school, so I start go wedding, go hotel, and them sitting there. So no, so we in our business long time. But office professionally start shoot movie. If you look up on one of me, I want interview with Fire, you know. When he first movie he do named King Kush. King Kush, that was his first movie with Fire Ass. We interviewed him about 8 or 9 years ago. He's on YouTube, same way, on different channel.
That was not the first movie.
What do you mean?
King Kush was not the first movie.
Which movie was the first movie?
One by One and Carelessness.
Alright, what are they in time? Another time period then we do that.
But
that
King Kush,
interview
you know him them
Talk
time.
about that. You're going like a better looking at Richard Show, you and my cousin. Talk to people then.
No man, Richard and me and me.
And somewhere, I mean, I know you're
Isn't it
nicer
so
than a
far you come from. But
Richard cuter than you.
I just
Yeah, what candy. We don't want a bad man, man. Think. Hear me I say. Are the girls man this? Anyway,
I keep on one side of me. Move.
Watch out, my gun. Me no nice.
man look.
Not look nobody.
Man alert.
So yeah, from your start shoot professionally and the acting and thing on YouTube and all of that.
Me this camera shy. If you notice, I know me kind of the talking a camera, you know. If you see it for true.
How
Couple
why?
months ago.
You afraid
True. No, me shy man overall. I'm a DJ and it's so sad. So sad, me so
I have
shy.
some camera we buy people. Me not
But,
wrong,
yeah.
afraid of them.
So Mr. Garden, how your life changed since you started acting or since the acting start successful? Oh, make sure you tell themselves on YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Tell you how this whole acting start. When you start seeing me now frequently.
No, but before that I used to act, not true?
Yeah, man, you see that movie, man. I one by one, me a police long time in a movie, I beat up boy long time, most years ago. You know, they tell them I did Lily and fine, so.
Tell them.
Palm Beach, I beat up boy as police and a long time. But and now me really start the acting thing professionally. So I say, since here, February, more than time there. The time I'm really doing it often, don't it? Yeah. Time I'm doing it often. But a long time. Yeah, sorry about that, people. He's just one of our fans here in Jamwood City. So, you see me? I'm just saying what
I talk about acting long time and beat up. From school, in saying you go.
He forgot everything so quick.
And that talk about the acting on Palm Beach and beat up boy as police and as recent now. Somebody asked you say how your life changed.
Oh, yeah. So, the reason why I'm there so still do acting now is just got you a little relationship problem.
Hold on, them me blouse and skirt, it passa me like it. Hey, what you say? What you say a while ago? Talk again. Me never asked him nothing in him said, come, say it again, my boss. What you say?
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
But you want like a relationship problem, so
Okay, so you have a broken heart and everything?
pass through that stage already, man.
Okay.
Single now, isn't me?
You see?
Ladies.
What? You know one time when I ask me if you're single, man, I tell him say I have a girlfriend.
No, man. Which girlfriend? You give me girlfriend?
Me think that me think say this.
No, brother.
Oh, so you're single now?
Yeah.
So what kind of woman you like, me general?
I like women.
Oh, does every
That's
woman?
Just it. Women.
So,
I love
hold on
women.
now, I feel like a trouble that, you know. Because hold on, me tell you and then you can probably want to rebut you can come in. Hold on now. If you like women, see, when you get one woman, the amount of competition where she have to deal with all this, you know, because like, every woman
Because
like,
he love every woman.
You see me? So your type not too specific. Alright, go on, tell me some more. So your relationship thing.
So yeah, that go on, relationship pass and gone. So me have time now, so me kind of dedicate myself now to the whole shooting and acting, as you can see. And I have 3 kids. So ladies, if you know me, I have 3 kids. I don't want candy in my video now. I have 3 kids, ladies. AJ, Alora, and Mia. You see me? And they're not, I don't candy are their mother.
All of them is from the same mother?
No.
3 different mother?
Yes.
Okay.
I was a bad
When
boy.
I grow up, I want to be like you.
No, when I was
No, me no want to be like
I
him.
was
He's
a bad
with
boy.
the
I was a
true
bad
seed man.
I was a bad boy. No, I'm good. I'm Christian now.
But you have
Alright, we have 3 minutes left on the video.
3 minutes. Alright. Go over to Paradise Nation, subscribe.
Yeah.
If you know what I said me, I'm going to myself over there. Go over there, subscribe. Me and Candy, we have a video come up still now. We were intense. We never see Candy kissing our video yet.
Kiss her.
See it.
Kiss her.
No,
Kiss her.
Oh,
Kiss her.
no, that Jesus. Don't stop it. No,
Kiss her.
God, me can't manage you no more. Why? Almighty
That's
Father
as
God.
far as it is go.
Me came a quote.
Sorry. That's Alright, so Yeah, remember if you subscribe to this channel, Akeem Lawrence, that's how your badness come down. We are one family here in Jammerwood City. We have a lot of video production with the company here. But it's one family at the end of the day. Alright, I kind of have a flow now. So Candy.
Jesus Christ. God,
Take
help
flow,
me.
girl.
Take you,
Take flow, take
no,
flow.
no.
Alright, so
no.
people see it there. Wanna get 1, 2, 3 character from Richard Brown films
If
to
you
get closer to them personalities. You see?
If you want to know more about me,
So
go over my page.
Paradise Nation it name?
Yeah,
Alright, yeah.
entertainment. Or go over official Alton God.
I want to tell me if you don't want to see Candy over here, so create a YouTube channel. And what kind of content you don't want to see her put on her channel? Zin? Later.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk
I'm
dress.
out. Love you guys.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk dress. Talk truth. You know what I'm saying? Take off the jeans and talk truth.
Move, man. Single but me.
You know what? Me first put her in a one video. Though. Me first put her in a one video.
What are going on, people? Hold on, hold on. So, yes, guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So, before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm gonna find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes.
I came prepared, just in case we get stuck.
Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that.
I love my ambassador for this.
Okay. So, over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm going to go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet. But everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys,
Kind to introduce yourself, miss.
my name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches.
Yes,
A
from
honey did I feel?
where is Honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the way teeth my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir,
Oh.
beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just follow the crowd.
Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
You see? Yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for
Hi.
you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen. This is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, say I love you a long time. And you should breathe again, my thief in that pit me.
Whew. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, on a shore crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, my youth. Hi, miss.
Hi guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as it.
Not as yet.
Not
You're not playing a part yet.
No.
Oh yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike there.
Mine a junk, you know. See him, the people. A great
Yeah.
Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. I understand how she down here chat to next man.
Calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Oh, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah,
Cause
why
you,
did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage your life? Oh.
Just shoot the try keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people them in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people them, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up.
So you go pop the gun. You can't feel phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down.
Money down to your job.
Come on, settle down. Why this one phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want never hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew about that.
Alright, yo.
John Monster, why this
So
has
them
freeze
have
up
other
so
something
much?
like this the over the side too?
All bow. 18
So we have 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more the them the up there, so.
Our family get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God picking. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Call it coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again, show them again. Show them. She can't flick, guys. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them as something and say, you know, say happy then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah, country girl.
She nice, you guys. Look for her. Boom flick.
So what next flicker that in country?
Find it.
Yeah, white pants.
Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
Not on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. Yeah. So come now.
Some minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing you?
Carolina, yeah, them are here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah.
But anyways, now waste no time. The sun now we can. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them questioner? Well, I don't think them questioner say about you. And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, I don't know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I can pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be
works.
able to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try to mess with them where that is concerned. So, the first question. What is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
know.
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question, or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think ask that question?
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who wrote the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Make mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
The question not boring anyone. Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality, but then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look at them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how them are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over there, number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person that interesting, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex life.
Remember, I'm a virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
Come on, Tyson. Come on, Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who get things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a virgin.
Know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know I ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. And between me and some weird kind of people. And people you can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly female, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
Is.
Weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
All right.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I tend to. I don't know. I'm just always. It's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Because me just always express. Me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot, right?
You sure?
You just said the time. Me have it on record now. Said the time hot.
Yep.
Me hot. My hot is not nervous. My hot. How long me have video? Sure. I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7. What is your favorite? Whatever. She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite. That. All right.
Whatever. What does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, "Will you marry me?" So just guess who asked that question.
You?
No. That's one. How many answers one ago? I'd ask this question, but
Will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, "Will you marry me?" and I say, "Honey, no one knows the future." But no.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know, we just
No, I'm saying
yeah,
it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in
Say
5
tell me
years?
who asked.
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yeah.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
No, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I am talented because I have more than one talent.
alright. Not to stray too much, but could you may I try to find one character and ask if
Impersonate?
yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just then I think I kinda look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to say hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. We think that good. On a grade there in the comments. So 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years. Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the when you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or they're asking about me as in
No, I was just saying based on your answer for this question, goal driven persons to kinda describe your ambitions. So you're a go getter kind of person? Huh?
sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions. I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I
don't have enough money then.
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because
You don't want one man do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
this is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in
Do
one
it for
man,
me.
I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can dead and
Well.
only lad know him all the thing assets too. Me no want be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. May I tell you who asked this question? I still want to ask you, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? Him never ask it like that. When him says, you that breed for me, that's how him say. But I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly on the wall, that's all. Nobody where you see. So nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you want. Baby daddy, husband. Because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's a father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. Mina judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but me I gotta expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, oh, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right as well. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
So, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, but guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I'm tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so.
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't. When I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question. I'm going to expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
I don't really want to say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard
you're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said for that. I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
We have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what I'm gonna ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? And it
Which
bring that to
means
mind.
that-
So, yo,
Okay.
what is the goal? So, like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would say, it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
But we can personalize that question. So, probably that question I can be
you?
different as well.
Okay.
So, everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal thing.
Aspirations.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day,
Of
where
I am now?
Mhm.
Well, I must learn. I must learn, either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I not just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything
What
you want to
comes
do now.
after the full stop?
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here now. So, what in a position we put her now?
Exactly. It was
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are need see through ya.
I
See
feel
who of them.
targeted.
So look on them. So them and them ask a question. Who are them? Them
I
man.
can't believe y'all.
I hope you're not calling me for my question.
No, you not get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody.
Yeah.
So may I go ask everybody the same question? No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you ask.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No.
Wanna go on with people? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. My name is Akin. Welcome. So I'm in Negril. This is the golf course. Have to be constantly checking this place because snakes. In my humble opinion, snake infested area. I ran into another snake, guys, yesterday I believe, but I was without the camera, so couldn't get any clips to show you. So yeah, not too worried though about the snakes because I'm learning that snakes from Jamaica aren't poisonous. So not too worried, but still have to be checking. Yes, the last time we spoke was when I was telling you guys about Richard Brown, Fire Ras, the whole team making a movie surrounded around love. Well, the Rastaman perspective on love, what he sees love to be in the form of a movie. So yes, so from then till now it's the same thing, filming, editing, trying to get out work, entertaining work so you guys can be entertained by that. So from then until now, that is what has been happening. If you guys haven't seen that movie, Three Sisters, it's on Jamiewood, definitely go over there and check it out. I will put a link in the description. Definitely go over there and check it out. Big up yourself, Miss, what's your name again? Chantal Wilson, Bieber, a thiefing sister. Big up yourself, so definitely go over there and check out that video. Well, that movie. what we're doing in this video is we're going to get some behind the scenes, different kind of behind the scenes in this time around, guys, because we're going to try and catch the candid ones. So the little mistakes, the little probably disagreements, nothing outrageous that does not belong on the internet, but you know, human side of people that can always be forgiven. So yes, we're going to get some candid behind the scenes, but before we do that, we're going to speak to Honey's mommy. You don't know who is Honey's mommy? Monique. Monique, can you?
Yanni.
You haven't seen that movie? Where is Honey? Definitely, I'm going to put a link. Richard Brown's channel. Definitely go over there and check out that movie. Where is Honey? It's amazing. That's all I can say. Definitely go over there and check it out. So, in relation to that movie, I spoke to her mother, Honey's mom. So, found out how she met Curious, how she met Richard Brown, got into making movies, Jamaican movies and all of that. So, caught up with her, did a little video. I'm going to share it with you guys, and then we jump right into the candid behind the scenes. So, yep. And if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and leave a like on the video. So, yep, we're going to see Honey's mommy. But before that, get some visuals, see Honey's mommy, and then we get into the BTS. So, yep.
And then me glimpse you. And me I tell them say, yo, my family that you know. And them I say, no, so I lie. So I'm show them my mother picture and then me. So family wise, yeah, me get the support, friend, love me same way. Yeah, me feel nice because when I'm there serve and me and my mask and my eyeglass and this guy said to me say, yo mama, I love your movie them, you know. So yeah, me kinda feel good about it. Definitely. It's a good look. Yeah, me like so when I watch me movie them, me just feel proud of myself. You know, me know say there's room for growth. So once I'm there on fire and the rest of the team, yeah, I elevate myself. So that's that.
Miss Annie, if you have to sing Blair out, can I see what's nice? If you have to sing Blair out and put her alone for the camera. Yeah. Yes, so hold on, let me clean up this lens. So yeah guys, that's Honey's mommy, or the young lady that played Honey's mom. The environment looks different, yes, because hours passed since I left you guys to watch that video. It was raining. I went into Negril Town to get some shirts, plain white shirts, because that's the only thing I really wear. So first behind the scenes is happening over here, so we are going to sneak in, take a peek and see what's happening. So
Please remember, every mickle make a muckle.
Alright, thank you very much, Trudy. And again, if anyone knows the whereabouts of Mr. Chubby, we're appealing to you to come and assist your baby mama. She needs your help. I'm not done.
Okay, I am Christian.
I'm not done.
Remember I said Chubby no know say she pregnant, you know. Do you remember?
You know now?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Alright. And again, thank you for tuning into Jammy TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
You know, say wait a moment, let's listen to. You know, I'm on TV, alright. You said you want it.
You take him mic and say no, I'm walking on TV.
Yeah, thank you, mommy, for coming interview me. No, I'm walking on TV.
And the MP big $1,000. I know me can't see that from where.
No, let the MP alone. Let the MP alone. I know she walk on TV and then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for tuning into Jamigo TV. I am your host.
Wait, mom, me have something to say. Well, thanks me for coming on TV in a long time. I want to come up here now. Hi, Jamaica.
Come up here, you know, we walk up on TV. Yeah, that day, as she come to you.
Yeah, that's it.
You
walk up on TV.
You have to start all over?
No, just the last one. I am Tracy and Blair. Make sure you
I
say your
am
name first.
Tracy and grab the mic. I am Tracy and Blair. So wait a minute. I am Tracy and Blair. No, you can look like you're Johnny Mike.
Wait again. Action.
I am Tracy and Blair.
Well, thanks for interviewing me. You know, I'm going to come on TV.
Thank you very much, Rudy. I'm the hostess. I'm your hostess with the mostess. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Must profile.
Alright, ready.
Profile.
I think no. Alright, no, Papa, go to here. Papa,
So I see them from up in a night though.
The next scene I know Papa will come with.
Oh, before doing part, we do an interview.
Where is audio song?
Not yet.
So subconscious
We have 2 more shots to do video. We have to hurry up. You know,
Which way they look like though?
we have 2 more shots we did. We have to run go so where bad road there and make a talk about the bad road. And she talk about you. I want to talk about you go to bad too.
hello, Miss Newscaster.
the hostess with the mostess.
Alright. Papa, you ready?
That's how I see them, man.
Pass on that shit them over. Look where there. Pass on that shit them now. Alright.
We're coming to quarter food.
Sir, do I have to walk with the mic?
No, just hold it for me.
Can you go to her?
Yeah, but we don't need that.
So, Mr. Brown, quick, because I'm catching up behind the scenes late. So tell me what did I go in another room now?
Oh, you don't know we have to depict anything where showcase sufferation. So this is a part of it where homeless. Well, don't say homeless. Well, you know what you want to
A
call it.
person who's in need then.
Yeah, somebody who is in need
Or facing
and
financial
see a look help from the government. So we just use like our TV station to depict that. You see me? Yeah.
So give me one little in as to what the entire movie about. I'm not asking much, just one little bit as
We
to.
just showcase all form of sufferation in Jamaica. You know what I say? In terms of to showcase say, oh, we know a war here. You see me? Yeah. I say movie name curious? War here, yeah.
And comedic fashion, right?
No man, serious.
Serious?
Serious something.
Ready now.
But you don't know Jamaicans ever take anything
You come in.
Papa, I just get your comedian.
Alright, so you heard Mr. Brown, you saw the environment. We didn't get much, but we have a little bit of idea as to, what the movie is talking about. So it's placing some emphasis on poverty. But beside the point, you guys should definitely subscribe, and I'm saying this about about the millionth time now. Go over there, check out Richard Brown channel, subscribe to all the stuff, and jam with as well. But did you guys realize the amount of persons that are in the room? That's teamwork right there, guys. And it's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. So we're going to go back, see if we can get somewhere behind the scenes. And yeah, as I said, get to behind the scenes. See what going on at the place. So, I don't know what I love woman, guys. So I'm going to take one next one of them. See her here. She going to tell you a little bit about what going on in this. Although we hear from Mr. Brown, she going to tell you a little bit about what going on. What did I do in this hour, like I miss? First, what is your name?
I am Everly.
And Everly, you're an actress?
I am one of their actresses, yes.
So how long have you been a part of this?
Not very long. I cannot put my finger, I cannot tell you how long, but not very long.
So Mr. Brown tell us poverty and all of that are going in that scene a while ago. But you tell me a little bit about it. What was happening with you?
Alright, so what I was doing in brief, I was interviewing the young lady in regards to her situation and her financial constraints, hoping that Jamaica would tend an ear to her situation and provide her with some assistance. So it's about poverty, and it's about what we face as a people on a day-to-day basis.
Rastafari. So, don't ask me, I don't know if she's single, I don't know if she have a man, I don't know nothing about that. But when you hear what should I do in this, so I could go in again and get some more behind the scenes. Thank you, Miss Everly.
You're most welcome.
That's why you have a big belly in front of you, look too much big things.
No, can't laugh,
No, can't laugh. Go on.
Can't laugh. Sorry, that's what I shot for. No problem. Alright, where got you closing? Can we have a close the scene? Where close the scene? Alright, Popeye. Give her back your mango and then wish her all the best and then left her. Ain't tell her. And action.
Yeah, alright. Now we're so I wish you all the best, and somebody else must have come help with MCL, isn't it?
Why you mean do look on the mango?
Jesus Christ, Chang. The man came and hold box of food come here and tell the man say mean. Wait, thank you man for carry come here. Slum back down. Slum back. I mean no way man. Come here come box and walk with. Don't bite the mango yet.
I don't know alright.
Give back your mango. Give back your mango.
Bite the mango already.
No, give him back.
Give me big one back cover. I don't bite this.
Papa, give me big one over.
No, we said to come.
Chang good. Me tell you, yeah man, ready, action.
Alright, now we see you again, and somebody else must have come help you soon. You know?
Now make you stay so. Make you give me the class mango what I bag, and if me you get them back.
$10 with the one mango you get.
No Papa, I'm not do it back over. You just give girl food and tap over your box.
You're ready for YouTube, dog.
Come back again, man. Sure. Alright, give back your mango, Chang.
He don't bite you, so just catch it for
you. Delete 2 shots, give back your mango.
Papa, I don't touch part of my feel.
No.
Give me big one.
Just put in your hand and make him stretch again.
Just
now
me big one.
No, just make him pretend like in here. Me tell you, and you start. And hold on. And action.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. You see again, somebody must help you.
So you tell me say you can't 2 mango come and help me and give me the class one.
You should have seen that they get mango and goods.
Thanks for your good. Remember, I don't have no stove and no toilet.
Somebody with your one.
Alright, check me back.
So I come on disgusting beggar.
Oh my god, she sounds so ghetto.
Alright, good. Curious, how come next, right?
Yeah, right there.
Call Curious.
So, Mr. Brown, why you tell me? Zane, because me want to learn. What are some of the difficulties you face when you have a film like this? Is noise a problem? Tell me.
I really face no difficulty because I kind of get used to the whole environment and the whole shooting aspect of movie and all. So, I 1, 2, 3 man. I think the most difficult part sometimes is just in noise. Because we live at Jamaica and Jamaica noise is bad, you know, man. If I know somebody play music or somebody chat, a bike pass. So I think that's the only difficulty.
Alright, but most importantly, you enjoy yourself, right?
As always.
Wonderful.
Call Curious! That channel look like incomfortable. We have to make a movie in channel.
What are young boy with the kimo bro?
Eh?
What are young boy with the kimo bro here?
Where's the taking up with the belly, that's true?
Yeah, young boy them.
Hear that channel? When I young boy take you up with the belly around with you, you know.
Oh gosh, man.
Ready? Are you coming? Popeye! Popeye! Popeye!
Don't let my mom get in.
Yeah, see you man, bro.
I just go and check her. You know what I mean? As I walk on.
You don't come here?
No, I'm going to carry the newspaper. Move it to the scene.
Oh, you carry newspaper come?
I'm going to carry the news team. I'm going to carry everybody. You not get no money yet?
No.
Alright, later I'm going to get money.
No, at least you have to at least sit me and say new scene.
First he has a slipper.
High five. Ready?
Alright, so I'm just walking chain and see now I'm going to walk in. Alright, so curious, but just just say first 2 sentences and walk in. Hold on.
Then you walk in?
Yeah, then I'm going closer.
You can actually sit up, you know, because I see him there.
Sit down, no chance.
Sit down up and take over this.
I want a lazy pregnant man. Sit down.
She's pregnant, leave her alone.
Sit down.
Sit down, no chance.
Let's pass them.
Oh, you want to that close as well?
No, I can show because I know me I can't let it come. I tell you, you have a link.
So I see him close. Nobody you want to. All I have got me, I see him there.
I say, put him out there?
Yes, it's I want close channel.
No, but I'm telling you to cover him. I want to cover him.
She never cover close.
Let me tell you.
But the door just show up slightly, it's not alright.
Yes, I mean I say, but no.
Good, yeah.
I don't want to talk about come over.
No, you worked so I saw the job. I don't know what happened.
Just 2 in the morning.
Probably under the box.
Under the box.
So for your ass, one question. After this scene. After this scene. What do we do after this? Are we doing any other scenes apart from this one?
No, done here now.
Okay.
I'm tired of the movie.
So guys, as you would have heard, Curious himself, Fire us, them a finish up. That are the last scene. Bike nice. As you would hear Mr. Brown say as well, Jamaica this and nice. So nice always there somewhere cause some kind of distraction or disturbance or whatnot. But you know I don't have to work with the thing. So yes, as you would hear Curious, Fire us, them a finish up. That are the last scene. So we talk to Mr. Brown, we talk to one of the actress, what's her name again? Everly. So she basically said the same thing that Mr. Brown said, and again, make sure, I think I tell them to subscribe to Richard Brown more than how I tell them to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video, and you know definitely stay tuned for more of this. And of course we do other videos where we go out and interview business places, you know, find out where the business is coming from, how the individual started the business from ground up. So yes, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Not going to give it away, but we might go to Lunacy Inn and interview that retired, what's her occupation again? Physician, retired physician. So definitely stay tuned. We might get an interview there. Subscribe. Bye bye. Hello, beautiful, wonderful, amazing Jamaicans. Everybody, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So, I'm in Negril. I guess you guys would have probably figured that out by now. I'm in Negril. So, we skipped a couple days from our last video. So, you know, we spoke to another actress. If we look at some clips, let's just look at some clips from, I think it was what, day 3. We stopped at day 2. So I think it was day 3. Yeah, we spoke to Shan and Tori was there. You guys saw that video with Tori. So I'm in Negril now, as I would have mentioned. Yeah, over those past couple of days, it's insane work, guys, like no joke. So yes, you guys are probably wondering what are we doing in this video. So I on set. Not going to tell you exactly what we're going to do, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it, especially persons who are, you know, core fans of Richard Brown films. So yes, but you guys know how we do. We have to get some intro, all that good stuff, and then we get into doing what I think you guys will enjoy. So yes, it's amazing, it's amazing. But when I'm a long time subscriber, them even earlier to them come right on my foot there. So Rowan McNeil, big up yourself, my boss, manners and respect, and thanks to the link up. One whole heap of reason. But we don't want to hear about that anyway. So yes, it's just amazing the things that happen, them run, them pot. It's crazy, you get me? So now we get some intro and see how immersive and interesting we can make this, and you know, amazing journey and take on all that. I love chat too much, I get some intro. People seem to know my wind up himself so far.
Up in live.
How you go, Candy?
Right here, sir. At the shop.
Your fans don't know which pan name right there, sir?
I'm going at the shop.
You even would have look pan them, boy.
Oh my God. You the pan live for you?
I'm the pan live.
Seriously?
As in it a record, yeah. Where you go, Candy? Where you go?
I'm going at the mini mart. Come and show you mini mart.
Where you go, mini mart?
Right here.
Where you go, mini mart? Go do. Blood clean.
I'm going to get some chicken seasoning.
Yo.
I'm going to the mini mart.
Mini mart, guys, mini mart. So that we are doing another video. We are follow up and doing Candy. Because I know someone love Candy, so fear thing have it different. Not that we are singular out, but we not always Candy, we love Candy, so we are follow up Candy up and down to them.
What's that, me choke? Grandma make me a choke. Grandma! No, man.
So Candy, are you a cook?
No.
So you usually cook all the while on there?
Yeah, me look how much time me cook. They give me a break now, man. Krista going to cook, not me.
So yeah, I can cook?
Yes. I
so differently do still, like when there shop or something, I interviewed until the shopkeeper. Forward, so you better press and hurry up, come.
Oh, I look like she did there.
So,
yeah?
Our general there. I had you the shop business, Papa. Alright, Candy, I get to because we not to interrupt her and make she do what she do. And then
I'm going to buy chicken seasoning. What kind of chicken seasoning have? Maggi? You have no Maggi? Yes, see them the man. Hurry up now. No, put on the pot and the fire.
I Candy, they are rush shopkeeper, I don't understand.
I'm a friend then, I'm lucky.
But I see him somebody in a movie.
No more.
Candy say like a rough in a movie, them I say rough in a real life.
Yes, me a bad girl, and you nobody like me. I joke. Me a lover, I'm not a fighter. Much money. 1 Pepsi, please, and thank you. 1 Pepsi.
So how long you can now, Candy?
From the time when me start.
Oh, when I fire us and link up?
Yes.
But a long time I want to act because from the first time I see like you want even give me a piece of African accent.
Sure.
She have it, you know. She have it, you know.
For $250, $100 and $150. So just give me back $250, please.
So you acting a go on Candy. How you like it so far? How everything?
Listen to me now, me love big. You can send some money for PayPal things. Cause we want one camera, we want mic, we need some other something and we need costumes. So big up on yourself. I don't know if Candy done love on a long time. You know. Listen to me now. Yes, the Candy now. I tell you straight from Richard Brown film. Me and Akeem a big bridging to you now. We are team worker. Big up on yourself and you can go up on Akeem film all the time.
Akeem film, yeah.
You don't know Akeem film?
What you mean?
You don't know Akeem film?
Of course you have to know Akeem film.
Akeem film. Akeem film, me say, and then Richard Brown film.
Yeah.
Go up on it and like, subscribe and share. Big up on yourself. If you don't see me from Akeem.
So Candy, what cook? Here we go. We get to big up them. I receive them and we love it. Right now, I'll hug you up for them. Come and hug up.
Sure. See this.
Alright, so then get to hug up for you. So,
alright.
Curry chicken.
Love you, honey. We not do no curry tonight because some of them belly easy for run. But like all me now, my belly nothing and do it. Me have anything. And he not do me nothing. Me have iron belly.
Stuff,
me have iron belly. Not do me nothing. Me teeth Richard Brown. $150 by Pepsi. Now get it back then send me a shop. They must pay me. Then too hard. I mean I work for nothing.
Zado star. So I'm gonna get one little taste of candy because we not finished yet. We not finished yet now because I remember night not come down all now. I understand me and as me tell you now, I'm there, I follow up with things. So definitely leave a like guys as you're here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I don't know which character I want to see. I don't want to see the little girl who are coming in the movie when I go see next month. I'll catch her. But she there around the stove. As you know what I see in the little clip, she on fire there in the kitchen and things. So I saw it work down here guys. The lifestyle, the living, the kind of person like it not change. I get me at the same people like even though the success come and it's still a growing thing, I see them people, I see them kind of living, I see them kind of positive energy, positive environment. And it's nice as you can see. And lockdown will come shortly, so you know, so them I get, them people are shoot movie like 100 movie in a one day, like different scene and then get to work and edit them. And as me tell them, I jump in on some of the edits and guys, it is a whole lot. It make when me have to come like nonsense, you understand me? So yeah, have some other actors. I don't know, fun size, Short, Bieber, Shantai. We did a 20-minute video together. So she's going to come down, so now the acting process. So you know, I catch her now the behind the scenes. I don't know, we'll see how the thing are going. So yeah man, stay tuned. Video not done yet. Left a like on the video. Tell me who no want to see, who no want me ask them, who no want to find out if them have man or if them like nobody on the set. Yeah, we have to do like an investigation thing too, you know what I mean? Find out if none of the actors them fall in love with them one another and them kind of something there. So yeah, all that tonight too. So there, she what? What she do? She are the movie star. You know big up your fans them. Me say if you not big up your fans them.
Hi everybody, love y'all.
Then I see that a while ago, you have to say it again. Then I see it again. I true, then I see it. Tell them what you do. Tell them what I go on.
May I season up, put up some meat actually. I seasoning about it.
So people, the actors, they know about this. They don't feel like I know pia thing, you know. Serious over here, so know what I'm do to, you know. So Curious King. So they know say food I feed, things I cook.
I like the chicken wing. I don't want no chicken breast.
You want food, Mr. Staff?
Yes.
How far you come tell me what you want?
Who don't want no food?
You don't want no food, can man now cook today.
You don't want no food? Nobody don't want no food. Look here, I need the wing. Give me all like, how much wing come from one chicken? 10?
4.
Give
a 4. I want it for them.
No, a 12 come from one chicken. Want it 12 of them. You take a leg. Me not like leg. Give fire the breast. I love breast. That's why he always the chop.
That's why I always say do
breast.
Always I chat about breast, not true?
Yes. He always chat about breast.
What's catch man?
Me not like breast. Breast too trashy. Me want it 10 wing them.
So Mr. Brown.
Hey, what chat to me.
Floor is yours. Last day of March. Make your people them know what's going on.
March a full month.
Can it's a March a full month, which he should write still, but apart from that, we have a whole heap of projects that we have lined up or we are edit.
That's what I look on right as
well?
Yeah,
it's a one and that's a one next one over there. So.
But I want one new computer and sit in my boss.
Well, I want one laptop, you know, this are going for around a long time, more than 6 years. It's a one and now, but you don't know where work where we have. So I wouldn't mind if them sorry for it. No, I use the word sorry for. Wouldn't mind if they can buy one nice gaming laptop to edit video.
John no star, that would have tough. So General, new member to your team.
Yes.
I introduce yourself, make them know who they are, so.
Alright, so I'm saying now. Full name Kevin Maduri, but you can call me Mega.
Man, so nervous a freak. I abusive, see him there. Yeah, abusive man in the upcoming movie, you know, soon see it. So yeah. Why your role on the team, General?
So, I'm the main editor.
Yeah.
Right now, I don't know if I will play no scene. I don't know if I have the part of me the acting part. As the man say, I'm nervous, but I'm not nervous.
Yeah.
I have too much names, so I don't know right name to say, see me.
So how you feeling so far? How you feel? How environment and everything? How it feel?
Well, I used to environment, you know, the whole editing thing, and nothing new to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just get used to the whole short movie thing. I normally used to the music video and event video, so I don't know new to me still.
Alright, my General, big up yourself.
Alright, listen.
Long journey ahead. So Mr. Bro, not more you want to tell me? Last day of March, whole heap of project.
Well, me just, hold on a channel. Can't take time to talk to you, baby.
I like the movie.
So basically, the amount of projects that we have lined up, we are trying to edit and trying to get together, because this is the thing. We realize that content is king, and not just content is king, but we are trying to make sure that we have whole heap of content after content after content to make sure that we can upload even 2 movies a week. And one other thing, we're launching a brand new channel, so I will just make sure that at least every week we have 2 movies I got, one for Richard Brown Films, one for Jamie Wood. So
hold on, stop. Name my channel?
Jamie Wood.
Jamie Wood. How me spell that?
I think at Jammi.
Jammi. Listen.
Alright, man. So that's how the new different kind of movie them all go, or every kind of movie?
Every kind of movie. But the thing is, what we are trying to differentiate with Richard Brown Films in terms of Jamie Wood is that we want Jamie Wood to be a place where if you have filmmakers who don't have a platform and want to put out their movie, then can link and say, oh, Richard Brown, we have a film that we want to go out, but we don't have a platform. You can link, we put it on Jamie Wood, and in that sense, once it go out and it bring in revenue, then we can say, alright, you get this, we take that. So we want to make it be like a Hollywood, but a Jamie Wood.
Alright,
Jamaica.
so one more thing before we go.
Jamie Wood.
Last day of March, today our Wednesday or Thursday? Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday, Friday, lockdown. What are the plans then for the lockdown?
Alright, the plan is similar to the last lockdown what we have, is that we realize...
Hold on, I don't mean to stop you. But I got to do one repeat.
Them, after lockdown, like, alright, for example,
them the amount of shooting they thing I talk about.
Well, we are trying to do a little bit more than what we did the last time. Anything we pose a challenge for we try to use it to your advantage. So the lockdown come now, we can't get from mobile and move from one place to the next. So guess what we do? Can't everybody come one place and just put in the work. Because the work have been done. No matter how nobody want to take it, lockdown go on, we have bills to pay still, we have picnic to take care of, we have ourselves to take care of, plus we have an obligation to the fans to create. So we can't make that be a challenge, you see me? Yeah.
Alright, my boss, thank you. I hope it's not swinging too much. Are we good? I feel like we're good. Morning people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. Funny joke. So I leave the tripod for the camera. So I'm gonna use my belt and tie up the lens and tie it on the ackee tree. So if you don't realize look it's swinging, yeah, that is what is happening right here. So big up on yourself, welcome to the channel. Leave a like. please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. So yep, I am still in the grill, still following Richard Brown and his movie making journey, and at the same time doing what I love, doing what I am passionate about, which is video editing, shooting, cinematography, all of the wonderful things where camera is concerned. So yep, in the grill over by the golf course, got up early this morning, you know, do a little jogging, do some push-up, try to build some chest muscle, work on the cardio, and I don't know. So yep, but that's not what we're about in this video. Guess what we are doing? We are talking about the intimate scenes then. Because you know Richard Brown, movies, you know, intimate scenes, we're going to talk about that. So we're going to question some of these females in relation to the intimate scenes. And the reason why we are doing that is because I had my own personal experience when it comes on to them intimate scene. So yes, one little kissing scene business going. As in our upper body here, so you feel like flat out a little more or something. And the thing is, from that, I developed this new appreciation for females or women when they're iffy about those kind of scenes. And the female might never think nothing like that. But one whole heap of different kind of emotion. Like it's kind of weird when somebody in the room would want camera upon you and then kissing business. No kissing, never kissing. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. But before we do that, we don't know how we do. We have to get some visuals. So we get some visuals, showing us some photos that I took earlier this morning. And then we get into talking about intimate scenes. I'm wanting to share an opinion with me in the comments, you know. How do you feel about kissing scenes? What if you were cast? What if you were cast in a movie to do kissing scene? Probably it's not found, so it depends on how much I'm happy. But anyhow, we'll get into it. Get some visuals and talk about them intimate scenes. Yeah. So, good. Welcome again. Welcome, guys. The beautiful Carlanda. We did a kissing scene recently and she's going to talk to us about that. So, in a nutshell, how was it? What was it like? What was the experience like? I can't be honest. I mean, I did have bad breath. I'm gonna have bad breath, but
I was so numb I didn't even know if you had a breath.
as in emotionless.
I was. It was. What I'm not going to say emotionless, I'm going to say numb.
Alright, what was your impression of me during the whole ordeal?
What the hell am I doing?
Oh, you think that's what was going through my head?
I was like, what is this? Oh my freaking god. I was like, so I was hovering. Mm-hmm. And I'm like, he has a beard. I don't like beards.
Who don't like? Tell me in the comments.
I don't like your beard.
What's wrong with my beard? Alright, may I groom it a little bit.
I like them when they're groomed and neatly done.
So it was funny, but you were comfortable, right? You were uncomfortable? We should take so long for answer.
I was there. I was uncomfortable.
I'm embarrassed. I'm officially embarrassed right now. However, for me, the entire ordeal was it terrifying because, and this is the reason why it was terrifying, as Muda mentioned before, as Muda told her before, it was your first time, Zin?
Yes, it was.
It was your first time. And you were so good at it.
Was I?
Yeah, you did. You were good. Like, at one point, I wonder
when I did this?
Yeah, I wonder if like...
That you sweat.
Yes, don't make me start again. Yeah, so I did nervous. One whole heap of things that going. Or we don't know.
It was new. Mm-hmm. It was intense. There was a lot of tension.
Me. You look like you did.
I looked calm, but deep inside, even if I go on a stage to perform and I'm shaking. I remember one time I was performing and I had to stand because stage presence, moving around, blah blah. Mm-hmm. And one moment when I tried to move I was literally shaking to the point where if I had made a pivot, I would have fallen.
You know how hard that is to believe. I mean, I believe you, but me think.
And they're like,
man,
you
how
did
you work.
great.
I did great.
No, I'm.
Oh yeah, you did great. Definitely did great.
I thought about if I'm look nervous, people say I look great. You did great.
So I encourage other females to come and like don't
Try
worry.
intimate scene so I don't have to do it. Of course, why not?
No, not so you don't have to do it like what I want them, like what I said to them, like you're going to feel uncomfortable. Or...
It depends. Everybody's different. I mean, I'm not attracted to you, so it was.
I'm unattractive. All right, cool.
You're not unattractive. I'm just not attracted to you. So it was just normal for me. And if they're gonna come, or when they come, not if, when you come to do an intimate scene, you just have to get your mind within that setting. You are trying to become a professional actor. You are learning how to become a professional actor, and these are things that you're going to more than likely have to do, knowing that especially you're a female. So get your mind within that capacity to say, okay, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm not attracted to you. Nothing. It will feel normal afterwards. Blah blah blah. Especially because it's not a series or one of them, them long movies that you have to. You're one of the stars or the co-star, and you're gonna have to be doing this where you're gonna catch feelings or whatever. It's not going to happen like that for this sector.
Yeah, because when I feel weird around you.
So exactly. So it's just something that you do and get it over with.
But I'm certain say if we had to do that all over again, it would have been the same thing. Like would have start weird out.
It would be so much easier for me now.
Did they have this virgin? I want to make sure you tell them that
Oh, yeah,
you felt as if you were hovering a virgin.
Yeah,
the reason for that, people.
You embodied how I would react, which was weird. You were like what?
She felt as if she was hovering a virgin. And let me explain. The reason for that is because
you were sweating profusely. Let us not leave that out. The sheets had to be changed.
It never that bad. Me I sweat like how me that sweat now. The room did hot. Me did nervous.
So the room was hot, and between you, me,
it was
and the
my
crew,
first time.
You were the only person.
Suppose me did have one erection.
Whereas you said the word painful, or I can feel pain. I don't know.
That would be very embarrassing. Alright. If I have somebody in the room with a camera on you and you're being asked to do this thing, something we're not supposed to be pretending. Like I don't think people should be that intimate or that close and like you're acting, like you're pretending. I mean, I understand the whole movie thing, but I feel like if you can do it there.
Try to kiss me. You remember that? That was funny. That was funny as hell.
I tried to kiss you?
You did.
I remember. That kind of tell me again. Hold on.
When I was there and you were like...
I was trying to hide the mouth part.
No, not that part. That was like after the 99th cut.
The 99th cut.
So before the 99th cut, I was like, what?
Oh, yeah, remember. Yeah. No, that was when you said don't put your hand. Yeah, said something about don't put your hand there.
This, and I had to move your hand before that.
So why did I move my hand? May I try hide the thing? Why I move my hand?
Because I was like, why am I hiding? I know we need to get this in one take, and then he's gonna make us have to do it over again.
I'm nervous. That's my explanation. I was nervous. So, and by the way, I'm not an actor. She's big up herself, 10 out of 10 actress, Carlanda. Yeah, might get one Oscar for just that scene there alone.
You are exaggerating.
Oh, serious thing, but... So, you would say to other females...
I'd say embody the character. Get in the frame of mind. Understand that you are at work. You're being professional. This is a part of the job. You're just giving a peck. Because it's not even like a French kiss. It was just one of them things to give a punch.
You're not on a scale of 1 to 10. How do you rate yourself as a kisser?
I'm a good kisser. I'm a good kisser.
Suppose your boyfriend have different for say. Oh, as we bring up boyfriend?
He would not.
As we bring up boyfriend? Do you think like Jamaica and the culture how it's there? Do you think the boyfriend would be a difficulty or a barrier when one female want to acting and them have to do these kind of scenes.
It would. I have.
So what you say to
heard
them
and
boyfriend
seen
though? What you say to
things.
them boyfriend?
Relax, bro.
Relax.
It's just a kiss, and they're coming back home to you. And most times, like me, they feel vague. It's mostly numbness. They're like.
So don't worry if your girlfriend kiss an next man in a movie.
Most time they'll be like, oh, me just in this nigga face, and I'm so petrified. I'm just gonna have to do this.
She never liked my beard.
I didn't even like his beard. It was. Beard is.
Tell me if you don't like my beard in the comments.
You need to groom that.
But like what I need for
We've
that, like,
had this conversation so many times.
about my beard?
Yes.
I don't remember. When?
See that you're good at.
Not remembering?
Or lying. Whichever works in your favor.
I not remember.
Mm.
But yeah, don't worry guys. So she was not, you were uncomfortable? She wasn't uncomfortable. She was having fun. She was laughing all of the time.
I was not uncomfortable?
No, me did uncomfortable.
I was uncomfortable.
What made you uncomfortable?
Everything. First of all, you were there.
Alright, continue. Yeah, so I was there.
And then the cameraman was there.
Mm-hmm.
And then everybody was there.
No, not everybody.
Who?
Colleen was there.
Was it?
Ready all the time. Okay, alright. Oh, that time surprise you for me?
Sabron, an intimate scene going on also?
No, not yet. So called tongue soon go on.
Colleen, so called tongue go on?
No. He can't take a kiss. A lot of females in Jamaica that are doing movies, they can't take a kiss because they will get a fist.
But Carolina did it last night.
Yeah, because
was not a real one.
That was not a real kiss.
It was not a real kiss. Ready, time up cut.
You did say so, Akeem?
Yeah man, my dad sweat.
Nervous.
She said she feel like she did stand up over one virgin.
Colleen.
Yeah. So no, as in
I told Curious to get out.
why? I miss that part. Why you tell the right to get out?
Because it's disgusting.
Okay. Yeah.
Sense. Trust me, that make it way harder. That'll be funny.
Understand.
Too funny.
My head not cut off in general. Okay, good. So, females.
You see all of the sunshine about me? I'm gonna have an repellent.
I don't want to touch you.
Thank you. But you owe me a cream.
What else do I owe you?
An extra repellent won't hurt. It has to be for sensitive skin. It's the green one. It has go on the front.
Alright, before we end the video, let me see how much minutes we go if we need to go more. I don't know if I miss out any questions. If you have any questions for her in relation to intimate scenes, I'm trying very hard not to touch you, miss.
You're trying.
Look at them.
Almost.
So, at the first, me touch her from the video start.
You see, you have been weird about this. Me not even remember. Honestly, me not even remember.
Them girl, they are wicked. If you can pretend that they're seeing them and just have one straight face, you can do it outside of that space.
What? No, you're not gonna anyhow from that point. You're not gonna make such a comment and then anyhow, with a skipping rope. Look at you. First of all.
Don't worry, guys. If your girlfriend comes here and she kisses a guy, because more likely she won't like his beard, she'll be uncomfortable, and then afterwards she won't feel any kind of way.
I'm not like that outside. Me not gonna pretend for like somebody. If even people me like me ignore.
Me nah sweat again.
Well, would you look at that?
Nah sweat again. But thank you for your time. I owe you a cream
and a repellent. You're gonna present it on here?
If this video gets 200 likes, you get a repellent, cream,
and cash.
And cash. I
can get 200 people to like this. You know?
I think. You see, these intimate scenes, a lot of time it has to do with how much you're being paid. So you'll be comfortable based on what you're being paid.
Depends, you know, because
even if you're not attracted to the person.
When I get all that money now, where that will never happen.
Have you seen anyone like that on set?
No.
Okay. Good. So be an attractive man there then. That's awesome.
Attractive men that I'm not attracted to.
Alright, anyhow, guys, thank you for tuning. This is the beautiful Carlanda. First time I do one kissing scene, so I don't know, so she might stamp in my brain for life.
I made your day. I made your night.
You call that make my night?
Did you have wet dreams?
My age not have wet dream.
You lying.
Candy, come in.
Yeah,
You don't know intimate scene with nobody, Candy?
You smell so good.
You smell good?
And me.
Wait.
You don't know intimate scene with nobody?
Altan. Hear me. Every time when I call you Altan,
it's not him.
You know what say like Altan? But anyway, stop straight.
Stop straight for Altan have 3 head back.
Candy want phone, guys, come. She keep on us. Come, that's all.
So,
Candy need a phone. She does not have a phone. You single?
Me single long time and the whole world know that up to Jesus.
So she need a phone, guys. So now I have to share the video. So what kind of phone I want?
Send in your applications.
Kind of phone? S8. One like this. One like this.
S8 on.
I need an S8.
So question, you know nobody do no intimate scene where they have to touch on them kind of
No, me no want nobody come touch me.
No, me ask if I never do no scene with that. Me remember you and Richard do one scene like that.
Me and him not touch up nothing.
So you don't do no intimate scene for you?
Why you want me to do an intimate scene
me
with
ask if you
somebody
ever
that
do
we're
any.
not together with? And I'm not in a relationship with that person, so why should I do an intimate scene with him?
I got any video now, guys.
Henny to Claude. Henny.
So, thank you, Miss Carlanda. Thank you, Candy. I think we have one more smarter to talk to. We want to talk to Miss Cully before.
And you see, anytime I want to send the money to Akeem to help make up by my phone,
them not send me no money. They not send me no money,
Candy.
Them need to share the video so they can get views.
Somebody that pan you go send money con you. Not tell me nothing. My friend them, my fans them, we send money con you, so you have to give me. Don't face.
All right,
go tell them.
No problem.
Love now. Hey.
Like, come on. I will talk to the next person. I will talk to Miss Cully.